Welcome back to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. And if you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you videos that are all things glamour, beauty, fashion. So if you like that, go ahead and subscribe. I know you are here for the nails, but before we talk about nails, let's talk about my glam really quickly. In my last recent videos, I've been getting a lot of compliments about my glam on my videos, and I just want to come through and give you some of the main ingredients in all this sauce, okay? Starting with my skin, I have been loving the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I'm in the color Mocha. Here's the foundation here. It's the color Mocha is my shade for the foundation, and also the same concealer, which is the Born to Glow collection, and this is creamy caramel, I think, or warm caramel. That's what I use to highlight, and that's why I look so radiant. I also have on another one of my favorites. You need to watch my favorites video if you haven't. I'll link it below for last month. This is a recent purchase. This is a matchstick by Fenty Beauty, and it's in the color Cinnamon. And my blush, the blush that I have is Sweetest Cocoa by MAC. That's what's been responsible for, you know, this skin, this radiant sauce, okay? And these lips, I don't know if you guys have ever tried ColourPop So Juicy glosses, the ones in these little tubes. This is the, listen, this lip gloss is the best lip gloss for juicy, super glossy lips. It's a little bit of a lip plumper, I guess, because it has some tingling effects in it. The color that I have on now is QT. After a while, it kind of just looks clear, but this is how it looks in the tube. I'm inclined to put some on right now, child. I just love these tubes. It reminds me of like a high school lip gloss, but I love it. It's so nice. Girl. But that's what I have on, and I have the highlighting stick, the matchstick, the cinnamon. I put it a little bit here too, so it gives you that extra, that's that splat. That's that splat right there. So if you guys have been watching my videos, my favorites, a lot of products that I have been mentioning, then you know I have been obsessed with press-on nails. Okay, I actually have some on right now. This is about a week and a half in. I normally keep them on for 2 weeks, and then I change the set. So I made an order. I was on Instagram minding my business as usual, okay, and I'm scrolling and I come across an Instagram page called the NAILEST. Click on it. Nail porn, okay? Nail porn, nail heaven. And I'm just scrolling, mouth freaking watering. I needed a bucket just to catch all this water falling out of my damn mouth, because I was drooling over these nails. So I had to place an order. I bought three different sets, girl. So let's go ahead and get into this, okay? So I will link everything below. So everything that I mentioned, you'll see it down in the description box. So be sure to click it if you're interested in getting these nails. This is the set that I purchased. I purchased from her Instant Glam as well as her Dazzle collection, and those two collections are ready to ship. They come with 24 nails, so you're gonna find your size in this set, and I prefer the 24 nails. So in case I make any mistakes or I need to replace any, I'd go for this. Her what is it called, the custom ones, it's 10 nails. You send in your measurements and you go from there. Those designs are a lot more glamorous, way more juiced up. So if you're looking for that, she has that option as well. I am more of a ready to ship instant glam kind of girl. So this is the box of one of the sets that I have here, and this is how it comes. When you open the box, it has a bit of protective, I don't know what this is, cotton, but that's what's over it. So let me pull that up and show you this, friend. When I show you this set, let me just lean in so it can zoom. Girl, do you see this? Look how pretty this is. This is a freaking press-on set. How gorgeous. The name of this set is called the Dazzle Omni Pink with Crystals Accent Tapered Long Coffin. Girl, let me just keep this up on the screen here for a bit. These are so freaking gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that little sheen that this has. Oh my God. I love this so much. It comes with 24 nails. I can't wait to put these on. I can't wait to put this on. It comes with 24 nails. The shape is excellent. It's so damn sexy. I can't wait to put it on. Look at this. Let me tell you, press-on nails have come a long damn way. Very long way, okay? So let's take a look at the next set I have. Okay, I gotta put myself together. But that last set was from the Dazzle collection, the ready-to-ship Dazzle collection. Now I have something from the Instant Glam collection, okay? Same box, same box. Let's go ahead and open her up, girl. Take out the little cotton. I don't need that. Look at this. Baby, these are a little bit shorter. These are matte. They are gorgeous. This one is called, let's see, the Instant Glam Honey Bling set. Look at this, baby girl. How sexy is this? This is a gorgeous color, and it's matte. It looks even better in person. The camera is doing it some justice, but not all justice, okay? Because in person, these look so damn good, okay? I absolutely love this. This set is $14.99, the Instant Glam one, and that's a really great price. When you think of what it takes to get your nails done, not just the cost, but the time, okay? You have an appointment, but you're gonna wait. You're gonna wait. That's how the nail life goes. You're gonna wait. These are gonna come in the mail. You're gonna open them. You're gonna put them on. You're gonna have them for 2 weeks, just as long as you would have had the other set. Like, if you do it correctly, which I'm gonna do a tutorial, a detailed one. That's gonna be my next video. So you better make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification, and stop playing, girl. Stop playing. It's 2020. It's time to stop playing because clearly life is very short. Okay. All right. So the next set that I have is it's from the Dazzle collection. This came in a different box. Let's take the top off. We don't need that. Girl, look. Look at this. Oh. Tell me this is not popping. This one is called, let me grab my paper here. This one is called Dazzle-Smoky Pink Accent Long Coffin. Do you see the smoke? Do you see the smoke? Baby girl, these nails are so gorgeous. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? That's water dripping from my damn mouth. These nails make me so damn excited. Look at this detail. Look at this. What the hell? Press on nails. Nail appointment for what, friend? Like, for what? Do you want to meet new people? That's why? You want to just go to a nail shop so you can talk and mingle? Because you don't need, it's not to get your nails done, because you can get your nails at home. Listen, okay? This is probably my favorite. I feel like it looks the most unique. All of them look gorgeous, but this is my favorite set. I don't know which one I'm going to put on next, because decisions. This set was $24.99. The other coffin, I believe, was $27.99, which that is, I think, the highest price for the Instant Glam. Now, the custom ones do go up a little bit more in price, but they're a lot more lavish. But these I purchased from each category. I bought a set that was $14.99, a set that was $24.99, and a set that was $27.99. So that is the range for the Instant Glams. And it's still worth it. These nails at a shop, this shape, this length, these designs, you spending, I mean, at least $60, $70, depending on where you are. And the shipping was free, like, bruh. So that's all I have, but you already know. Once these are gone, I'm definitely going to purchase more, because she's the plug. That site is the plug for me when I want to, like, juice it up. I still love my Kiss nails, but something about this particular company's nails, I don't know, they're a little bit more like saucy, you know? And sometimes you just want to be saucy. You've been in the house all day, you want to be saucy. In the package, it did come with this thank you note. I don't know if you guys want to order it, try using this coupon code. I don't know if you can use it over and over. It says thanks 10. You get 10% off $30 or more. So I'll put the link and I'll leave this coupon code. Hopefully it works over and over. but order you some. They go from the ready to ship is where I ordered from. So when you go on there, you'll see a category that says press on nails. You click that and it'll open up the options, and you can look at the ones that say ready to ship if you just want that set. If you want custom, go ahead and look at the custom. There's a collection called the Jackie Aina collection. Baby girl, I'm not going nowhere like that. So I was like, you know what? I don't need those. I don't want the customs anyway. I like to have 24 nails because there's room for error. With the customs, you're getting 10 nails. So you better make them 10 nails work. Okay? But I'll put the coupon code at the bottom. I'll have the link below. I'll have everything that you need in the description box. Always look there if you're interested in purchasing anything that I mentioned. But, girl, stay tuned for the tutorial. I am going to do a detailed tutorial on how I put on my press-ons and how they last 2 weeks. Get your money's worth. So we are at the end of the video, and if you didn't subscribe at the beginning, you can go ahead and click that button now. Boop. Click those notifications. Boop. Wait on this tutorial to come, girl, and, you know, be merry. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, guys, okay? Don't forget to like my video and come back and bring your friends, your friends' cousin, your friend cousin baby daddy. Bring all of them. Bring all of them. Bye.